How to fix Apollo Group TV not loading or working. I'm going to tell you how to fix Apollo Group TV if it's not loading or working. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable network can cause streaming issues. So try restarting your router. Next, clear your app's cache or restart the Apollo Group TV app to refresh it. If you're using a browser, clear cookies and cache and then try again. If the problem persists, ensure your subscription is active and that Apollo Group TV server aren't down. You can check their official website or support channels for any service outages. Finally, uninstall and reinstall the app or try using a different device to see if the issue is device specific. If none of these work, reach out to Apollo Group TV support for further assistance.